Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Budget Drones. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Fancool FPV Drones. Fly up to 60 minutes time, drone at low speed, extending the more excellent flight experience for professional adults or beginner adults. At high speed, the drone can be fly for 44 minutes. The maximum flight speed is 25 mph with a powerful brushless motor, fewer noises, stable, fast and have a longer lifetime, and spare you from motor maintenance. Number 4. Holystone HS720 GPS Drone. The control range of 2.4 GHz transmitter reaches to 3,000 feet high range, battery level and GPS signal shown on the LED screen. A button to turn on or off the drone light is added. Right-hand throttle mode is available for left-hander. Number 3. Rico F11 Gen 2 Drone. With the classic design of the F11 series, the drone performs a very stable flight while in the air, along with a powerful but low-noise brushless motor. F11 Gen 2 can resist level 7 winds, so your footage is stable even in windy circumstances. Number 2. DJI Ultralight Foldable Drone. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. With just a few taps, G-Mini 2 automatically records and shoots professional level videos to share directly on social media. Number 1. Power Vision Multi-Purpose Drone. The AI face recognition technology delivers accurate, efficient, multi-angle, remote face recognition and subject lock-on when following the subject. The 4K UHD camera, on a 3-axis gimbal captures stabilized views